Hello everyone. The product I will introduce today is the Pro Gold 2 Easy PQR. Okay, what you are looking at is the Pro Photo Clam Ball Head. As you can see, it has silky smooth operation. The Pro Photo Clam Ball Head has a load capacity of up to 35 kilograms, means it can support almost any camera without any problems. The detent pin makes sure that the camera doesn't fall off even when the lever is not fully locked. Also, if the lever is fully closed, the plate is locked solidly. Hold the double locking device and open the lever completely to install the plate at a single time. Alright, let me show you how I attach my camera. So the Pro Photo Clam Ball Head will absolutely make sure your camera stays safe with these double and triple safety devices.